We have to go with the sauce first. Just 2 blocks of butter.
What sauce are you making, chef?
We're making garlic butter.
Okay.
First time I was trying out this little gadget. No, I'm gonna move it.
No, I'm here.
Yeah, they can hear your voice. So Cajun, we're gonna go Cajun style, right? So garlic and herb. This is gonna be like seafood boil with a steak as well. But the grill pan here is gonna be a lovely steak. Surf and turf. Eh? Oh, that hole in there. That's empty. Minced garlic freshly done. All the vibes. I'm gonna put the potatoes in half. I got some onion. I'm gonna put the celery cut in. I'm making the broth nice, man. Chicken stock cubes. Don't need to put salt. Sausage. Stop it, Andre.
Sean P's
Stop it, Andre. That's a little bit more extra seasoning. Let's stir it.
Sausage party today, guys.
This is where all the fun begins. Want that to be a mountain of seafood in there. Look at that big steak. Look at that. Give me the verdict. Is it good? Yeah? For real?
20 out of 10.
Ah, yes, that's good.
100 out of 10.
Ah, we have to eat. We have to sit back and eat. We can't do anything else. Alright, we gotta go. Peace out. Much love. I'm gone.